friends, it's Samuel here once again. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm Samuel. I'm a second year medical student currently studying in Russia, and on this channel I talk about medicine, productivity, and how we can actually study effectively, or how to be better students that we can be. So if you love to see more videos or content about these topics, please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on so you don't miss out on any video as they drop on this channel twice a week. Of course, twice a week because during the week I upload videos of myself studying, read time motivation, midnight study with me, so you guys can get productive with me. And times like this also I upload normal content about medicine, productivity, and all of that. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join this family, and please don't forget to turn the bell notification on. Thank you very much. Before I go on, this video is kindly being sponsored by VarsityScape, and I'm going to get to them in a very short while. As a student who is very much concerned about productivity and time management, because I've got this YouTube work as a side job, there are some apps I use every single day to help me get by what I have to do during the day. And I use the iPhone 10R. I've been using this phone for more than a year now, and I use this phone for practically everything. Even on this channel, I use this phone to record, I use this phone to edit my videos. Apps I'm about to talk about now, they don't include all the apps I use from morning to night. They don't also include the apps I use as a YouTuber to record, to edit, or to optimize my videos. They only include the main apps I use as a student, the main apps I consider very important to me as a student. If you're interested in knowing the apps I use from morning to night, or if you're a YouTuber or a content creator and you're interested in knowing the apps I use to edit my videos, to make my videos this nice, please put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video about it very soon. So moving to what we have for today. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 apps I use every day as a student in 2020. The first app I'm going to talk about today is Notion, and Notion is probably the best app I've downloaded since I bought this phone. Notion used to be a paid app, but fortunately currently this app is 100% free, and Notion has helped me with every single aspect of my life. Notion helps me with checklists. I've got a page in Notion where I use a checklist template to organize my to-do list at every particular point in time, and it just doesn't help me with the to-do list, it helps me with active recall. I use it for my active recall, I use it for spaced repetition in school, I use it also to even organize my school timetable. If you want to know how I specifically use Notion for my active recall, for spaced repetition, and how I really use it in school, please drop it in the comment section below. Very soon I'm going to make a video about that, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that. And also, Notion does just not help me in school, even as a YouTuber. One of the problems I used to have before when I started this channel was that I get ideas, but by the time I'm about to record, I have probably forgotten the idea, and most times it's on the day I'm meant to upload a video I decide, what am I meant to talk about today, what am I going to talk about, where am I going to find it. But after getting Notion, there's something I actually learned from Ali Abdad, exclusively from Ali Abdad. One of his videos when he was talking about his workflow with Notion, he uses the Caravan board, just like a board that has different columns. So in the first column we have the no status, and this is where every single time talking to people, reading books, or watching videos online, when I get an idea that looks like a possible topic for a video on my channel, I go straight to my YouTube workspace and I write the topic down in the no status one, the first column. And after a while, if I think a topic makes sense and is a prospective idea for my channel, I move it to the next stage. If I've researched the script of a video that I'm about to upload, I move it to the next stage, and the topics keeps on moving and moving until they get to uploaded. And this has actually helped me to be more effective as a YouTuber and to not actually run out of content on the channel. There's actually more and more to Notion. There are more things I use Notion for. According to the scope of this video, this is where I'll stop. I'll leave a link to Notion for iOS and Android in the description box below, so if you want to download it, please feel free to go to download it. It's a 100% free app, and please don't forget more videos about Notion to come in the future. The next app I would love to talk about is Windscribe, and this app is just a VPN app that helps you to be able to change your IP address to anywhere in the world, so that you'll be able to access some apps and some websites that are probably not allowed in your current region. For example, if you don't know, on Netflix there are some movies you can actually get in some countries. If I change my IP address to anywhere in the world where they watch Grey's Anatomy, boom, and if I open Netflix, I'm allowed to actually watch the movie. This app also protects your browsing history and your information online, and this app also helped me some months ago, and that was actually why I got the app. Months ago here in Russia, I couldn't access my bank app in Nigeria, and I just decided to change my IP address to Nigeria, to Lagos, Nigeria, and boom, I was able to actually access the app. This app has a free version which I actually use, and it's not so limited, just that you get 10 gigabytes of data per month if you register with your email, and you only get some particular regions. So the regions that have the heart sign are the ones you can actually get, but you can't get the regions with the star sign, except you decide to pay for the premium version. If you love to get this app, I'll leave the link also down in the description box. So the third app I'll actually love to talk about today is Duolingo, and I started using Duolingo when I was in Nigeria to actually study the Russian language. Now here in Russia, we've been taught the Russian language, and we are still being taught the Russian language, and I speak the Russian language every day, and I'm quite fluent with the Russian language. So I don't learn the Russian language again with Duolingo, but now I started learning Spanish with Duolingo. Duolingo is a very good app. It has a free version where you probably might get some ads. There's a premium version that you pay for, in which you don't get ads. This app consists of group of words that they make you to learn, that words that you use in the restaurants, words that you use in the airports, and you're made to actually learn these words, you're made to speak these words even to the app, and you're made to actually type these words. This is a very, very nice app to actually learn a language passively. If you've not seen my video on the benefits of learning a new language on the brain and how the plasticity of the brain works, leave it linked up there, so you should please check it out and learn how learning a new language can actually be of great benefit to your brain on a general note. Of course, I'm going to leave the link to Duolingo app down in the description box. The fourth app I use every day for almost a month now is the Pillow app, and this Pillow app, I posted something about it on my status some time ago. It's an app that measures the quality and the duration of your sleep. You could actually use the sleep app on my Apple Watch or in the health app of the Apple whatever. I love to try third-party apps, so that's why I actually downloaded this app, and it's been very, very nice. There was something very interesting that I learned from using this app. There was a day I actually used it. The first day I used it, I noticed that I had about 8 hours in bed. I was in bed for about 8 hours, and I only had about 5 hours of real sleep. So for about 3 hours, I was just scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through TikTok, and from that day, I decided never to have my phone with me on bed. So now every single time I try to sleep, I put my phone away from me on my study table, and when I'm on the bed, I just read a novel till I sleep. Now I'm trying to protect my eyes from the blue screen in the night, and I'm also trying to improve my reading habits. This app actually has a free version and a paid version, and the free version is quite a little bit limited, which is what I actually use. And if you're interested in downloading this app, I'll also leave the link to the app in the description box below. Now finally, to the last app I use every day as a student in 2020, VarsityScape, which was also created by the sponsors of today's video. VarsityScape is Nigeria's online community for higher institution students, and it doesn't matter whether you are in the university, polytechnic, or college of education. I'm very sure soon VarsityScape will be available to the whole of Africa. On VarsityScape, you'll be able to connect and collaborate with other students in almost any higher institution in Nigeria. You'll also be able to post updates and questions about school, life, and academics, and get answers to your questions in groups and forums. You'll also gain access to the study materials available on the catalog that is searchable by institution, study years, and courses of study. You can upload study materials yourself for your friends to download, and these study materials will be there in your profile. Apart from study materials, you can also upload articles. You'll also appear on your profile, plus you get points for doing all of these. You'll also have access to free and paid courses on the platform. If you're an educator looking to reach more students, you can create and sell courses on the platform, monitor students' progress, as well as give them assignments and quizzes. Create public or private groups for your students, post your events and tutorials on the event calendar, and much more. If you've got some service to offer or something to sell, you can also advertise it on the VarsityScape through the Advert Hub. I personally have signed up for VarsityScape, and I've been using it for a while now. And on VarsityScape also, I've organized all my videos about how to study effectively, and it's all there as a course, and it's free actually. So if you're a content creator, you can also upload courses there. If you're a learner and you're interested in learning about anything, please sign up to VarsityScape and you will get what you want to learn over there. And of course, I'm going to leave a link to VarsityScape down in the description box below. That's been it, guys. Those are the apps I use every day as a student in 2020. If you love the video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on. Please don't also forget to share this video to your friends and share to all the students you have around you that can also learn from this video. As always, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. If there's any app I talked about that you also use, please talk about it. Or if there's any app that you use as a student every day and I didn't talk about it, please share it in the comment section and we all can learn from it. So that's been it. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys very soon in the next video. Peace.